Alright guys, gonna start working back on this again. I'm gonna pull the hood off so I can get the plugs and stuff out easier and get the firing order down and start putting the ignition stuff back together.
Alright guys, here I'm building the spark plug wire. I'm starting at number 1, seeing as how it's 1342. I'm going to go ahead and get it built, get it in on the plug and on the distributor cap, then I can work from there to get the other 3.
Okay guys, I think we're about ready to fire it up. Put all this stuff on it. I've already replaced the points, rotor, the coil. I'm using the same wiring as the coil, same plug. gonna run. Oh, well, it's pumping all the engine oil out of it. The oil pressure line's broke. Anyways, I'm not gonna run it because I know I gotta change the oil. There was some water in the oil. Gotta have coolant in it, fresh oil and filter. I gotta rig up a fuel tank for it more than this. I've got a little plastic boat tank I can put on it for now until I get the tank under the seat cleaned out, if it's even cleanable. But now that we know it runs, we got a good start. Got a million tools out here to pick up. Unbelievable. This poor old thing been sitting for years and years. Had to drag it out of the mud and dirt, take the blade off, then drag it out, load it on a trailer, hauled it 3 hours home, and started getting parts for it. I may go ahead and just get some new lines made. They're not much, and run it with the cylinders it's got, just to see if that part works. I've got another solenoid to put on here because that one's about cooked. And I mean, the ignition button and switch, they obviously work, so I don't have to mess with them. Hopefully it doesn't have some radiator issues. We'll know more in a few days or the next chance I get to work on it. But for now, I think we're done. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell icons so you can get notified when I post something else. I'm going to try to post pretty regularly, which I have been, but I've also been posting several videos a week. That'll probably slow down so I can start making longer videos. And of course, I got to get some more batteries and stuff for my camera so I can make it last longer and a better memory card. But looks like we're going to have a runner here. Once I get the fuel tank on and the water in it and the oil change, then I can run it a while. I can actually test the drive, which I'm 100% sure it's going to work, because just putting it in gear and running it with the starter, it was moving forward and backward. It would steer to the left, but to the right it was real iffy, because the right side track brake is really worn. You can see how far back I got to move it to even get it to grab, where the left one is already grabbing there. And I could actually lock this in and try to push it and it would not move that track. So that'll probably be a new brake band, I'm sure. And then we can start working on some of the cosmetic stuff, some of the re-welds, some of the stuff I'll just have to cut off and fabricate myself. Like the holes in the hood, I want to clean them up where they seal better. I'll redo the whole seat frame where it looks a lot better and cut whatever the heck this is off the back. Same thing with them pipes. I'll go ahead and get them back off of there. I know they were on there they had a little ROP system on it. Same thing, that's what these were for, but I'm just going to get all that off. All of it off that I can. And then these, I'm not 100% sure what they were for, why they're welded in there. I don't have a clue, because I'm pretty sure that's a mount for the tilt cylinders. But either way, if anybody knows what they might be for, let me know. It could have had something to do with these mounts. I'm sure they had some kind of brush guard, maybe it hooked to them to keep it, I don't know. It's sad that it's missing this piece, because that was kind of a weight and it had case in it. That'll have to be beat out, re-welded or bonded or something. But all in all, I think I got a pretty good start on it. So again, that's going to be it for now, guys. Fixing to have to go pick up my kids. I got to go in and get a shower, clean up. But if you get a chance, go check out my other videos. And as always, thanks for watching.